Fresh herbs make food taste amazing. They add a burst of flavor and aroma that can transform any dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether it's a sprinkle of mint in your lemonade or a handful of basil in your pasta, fresh herbs elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level. Growing herbs in your kitchen is easy and fun. You don't need a large garden or a green thumb to get started. With just a few pots and some sunlight, you can have a thriving herb garden right on your windowsill. It's a rewarding hobby that brings a touch of nature into your home. Imagine adding fresh basil to your pasta. The vibrant green leaves not only look beautiful but also infuse your dish with a fresh, peppery flavor that dried herbs just can't match. It's like bringing a piece of the garden to your table, or a sprig of rosemary to your roast chicken. Yum! The woody, aromatic notes of rosemary pair perfectly with the savory flavors of roasted meat, making your meal not just delicious but memorable. Fresh herbs are not only delicious, but also good for you. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to your overall health. Plus, they add a burst of color and freshness to your meals, making them more appealing and enjoyable. They are packed with flavor and make every meal special. From breakfast to dinner, a sprinkle of fresh herbs can enhance the taste and presentation of any dish. It's a simple way to elevate your cooking and impress your family and friends. Let's get started on your very own kitchen herb garden. With a little care and attention, you'll have a constant supply of fresh herbs at your fingertips, ready to add a touch of magic to your meals. Happy gardening! You don't need a big garden to grow herbs. A sunny windowsill is perfect. Here's what you'll need. Small pots with drainage holes are ideal for herbs. Use potting mix. It's perfect for herbs. You can start from seeds or buy small plants. Herbs love sunlight, so choose a sunny spot. A small watering can helps avoid overwatering. Let's plant some herbs. Growing your own herbs at home is not only rewarding but also incredibly practical. Imagine having fresh basil, mint, and rosemary right at your fingertips whenever you need them. These herbs are perfect for beginners because they are relatively easy to grow and maintain. Plus, they add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Basil, mint, and rosemary are great for beginners. They don't require a lot of space and can be grown in pots, making them ideal for small gardens or even balconies. Basil is known for its aromatic leaves, which are a staple in many cuisines. Mint is refreshing and can be used in drinks, desserts, and savory dishes. Rosemary, with its woody stems and fragrant needles, is perfect for roasting meats and vegetables. Fill the pot with soil, leaving space at the top. It's important to use good quality potting soil to ensure your herbs get the nutrients they need. You can also add some compost to enrich the soil. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can harm the roots. Make a small hole in the center and place the basil seedling or a few seeds. Basil prefers a sunny spot, so place the pot where it can get at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you're planting seeds, cover them lightly with soil and keep the soil moist until they germinate. Gently cover with soil and water lightly. Mint grows quickly. It's a vigorous plant that can easily take over a garden bed, so it's best to grow it in a separate pot. This way you can control its growth and prevent it from crowding out other plants. Plant it in a separate pot to avoid it taking over other herbs. Mint thrives in partial shade and likes to be kept moist, so water it regularly. You can also trim it back to encourage bushier growth and prevent it from becoming too leggy. Follow the same planting steps as with basil. Rosemary likes well-drained soil. It's a hardy herb that can tolerate dry conditions, making it a great choice for less attentive gardeners. Place it in a sunny spot and water it sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Add a bit of sand to the potting mix for better drainage. This is especially important for rosemary, as it doesn't like to sit in wet soil. The sand will help improve the soil structure and prevent root rot. Plant the rosemary seedling and water it well. With a little care and attention, your herbs will thrive and provide you with fresh, flavorful ingredients for your cooking. Happy gardening! Section 4. Herb Garden Care. Keep them growing strong. Herbs are easy to look after. With just a little bit of care and attention, you can keep them thriving all year round. Whether you have a small indoor herb garden or a larger outdoor setup, the principles remain the same. Here are some simple tips to ensure your herbs stay healthy and productive. First, water your herbs when the soil feels dry to the touch. It's important not to overwater them, as this can lead to root rot and other issues. A good rule of thumb is to check the soil moisture regularly. Next, place your herbs in a sunny spot. Most herbs need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Ideally, they should get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. If you're growing herbs indoors, a sunny windowsill is perfect. For outdoor gardens, choose a location that gets ample sunlight throughout the day. Regularly snip off the top leaves of your herbs to encourage bushier growth. This not only helps the plant grow more vigorously, but also provides you with fresh herbs for cooking. Pruning is essential for maintaining the shape and health of your herb plants. Section 5. Enjoy your fresh herbs. Congratulations on your very own kitchen herb garden. Now you can enjoy the taste and aroma of fresh herbs in all your dishes. Add basil to tomato sauces, mint to refreshing drinks, and rosemary to roasted meats. Fresh herbs elevate your cooking and make every meal a delight. Happy cooking!